So one thing we have to do when we make a new table is choose its capacity mode, whether it's provisioned or on demand. And we're going to first look at provision throughput capacity. And this is the maximum amount of capacity your application is allowed to read or write per second from a table or index. So here is an example of a table where we've chosen to use provisioned capacity. And down below, we have the option to choose or to fill in our provision capacity. And it's even going to tell us what's going to cost us per month at that setting. So throughput is measured in capacity units. So we have RCUs, which stands for read capacity unit, and WCUs, which stands for write capacity unit. So you'll see those abbreviations all over the place. And one thing that we can do, and you'll notice there's an option for auto scaling. So if we were to turn that on, this allows us to scale our capacity up and down based on utilization. So if we need to go beyond that 5 or 10, we'll just set that, and we can say the minimum and the maximum. And the reason why you'd want to turn on auto scaling is to avoid throttling. So if you're to go beyond the capacity that you're set, and let's say you didn't have auto scaling turned on and you went beyond 5 reads per second, that data is going to get throttled, and that means those requests are going to be dropped. So it's literally data loss. They're not going to make it into your database. So auto scaling gives you a bit more wiggle room, but there are limitations to it. So there you go. That's provision capacity.